if you want to delete data history in Apple Maps, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, try to pin down maps. So I'm gonna type right here maps on my search after my swipe down, and basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be able to delete the offline maps, for example, right? Click your avatar icon at the top right here, and then just select the offline maps. And as you can see, I don't have one, but if you have one, just go ahead and select a specific location, hold it, or just click the three dots next to it, and then you're gonna be able to delete the location, okay? If you have one. Next, what you need to do, you need to go back to your screen. Now what you're gonna do, just swipe down to see the top hit, hold right here for the app, and then click delete app and double click to remove it and reinstall it again from your App Store or Google Play in order to delete history, right? Next, what you need to do, go to the settings, right? Go to the general and then iPhone storage, right? Scroll a little bit down until you find the maps. Okay, so I'm gonna try to pin it down. And after you find the maps, what you're gonna do, upload the app, and by uploading the app, you're gonna release some of the unnecessary data or files within the app. Double click to upload the app, and it will delete the app, but keep its documents in data, and that should fix it. So let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.